Hello, welcome at CFI Crypto Future Investing. Today I have found for you something interesting, something potentially fitting our narrative of a DePIN or DePIN, which basically means decentralized physical infrastructure networks. So something that is hot at the moment. Project which research you can find by googling Aethir Impossible Finance Report or research. It should be your first link. I do recommend reading that report because that is a project that is aiming to create a decentralized cloud, something similar to Render. And what I like about this project is that they are not starting from zero. They started in 2022, so 2 years ago. They already had 2 funding rounds. Current funding round is round number 3, and they have contracted some interesting companies, and they have really good investors that believe in the future. So they have a lot to be excited about. I do like the option for GPU providers to switch off whenever they want, because that can create some flexible times for any of us to work for this token, and can create additional bandwidth for the project, because not everybody can have that GPU connected 24/7. So they are showing you how the market should grow. So some predictions: the token will be ATH, all-time high, which is interesting. It's interesting shortcut. They are introducing that the GPU as a service model, which sounds really professional. They will be focusing on AI training, as you can see, AI interference, gaming, and virtual compute. You can read that in your own time. I want to go to what they already have. So look, what do they already achieved? So they claim they have contract with the world's largest gaming studio for 5 million to 7 million ARR, with 150 million monthly active user player base. So this is something that must be something really well known. And they do have contract with WellLink for 5 million to 7 million ARR, largest cloud gaming company with over 64 million monthly active users. They claim they have contract with the world's largest telecom company for 5 million ARR, potentially rising to 13.9 million in near future. And in the pipeline, they say they've got 10 additional contracts in the gaming space, expected to close within Q1 in this year, which is really exciting for me. I do think is that this project can really be valued at quite significant level. They already have equipment worth $24 million under the hood. Specifics of the equipment are here. So they've got 31280 Rock chip. They've got NVIDIA Tesla T4 440 of them. They've got Snapdragons 864 over 6K of them. They've got Radeon 80. This one is really good, which is NVIDIA H100, and they have 3,000 of those, which those graphic cards are really expensive. And so in total, they've got over 40,000 pieces of equipment. They also have 170,000 followers on the social medias, and they predict that they should have around 10 million monthly active users in this year. Specific part that I like as well is that they already have 9 million investment provided by those guys. Animoca, obviously, Framework, and Merit Circle, which is now Beam, are the most notable investors in here, and partner is Impossible Finance, so the games GG and CDeFi. So there is a probability that this token will start from those launchpads. As you can see, they already have had three fundraisers. Okay, what I would like to tell you about is that they will have a node sale on the 20th of March. As you can see here, launch date of those nodes is March the 20th, and the price for the node will be $500. Because the token is not available to buy yet, I do think that buying a node, depending on the requirements for the node, obviously, but buying that node can come with a token drop, especially because of framework fund is there. So I would be interested in that project. Obviously, do your own research, but it really looks good. From any recent project that I was scanning in the past few days, this one looks the most promising. If you guys will find a place to buy a token, maybe a launchpad, do send me a note. I hope that you like the project, you're excited as I am, and will have a closer look at this project. Join the Discord, talk to the guys, and obviously subscribe to this channel, give us a like, and we will share some other projects with you as well in the near future, because we are trying to be a bit more active right now, but we don't want to bring you some rubbish. We only focus on good quality projects where you can invest large amounts instead of buying those small amounts in everything, because you want to maximize return in this current bull market, and that's focusing on quality, I think, is the best way to go. Thank you, and see you at the next update.